In this video, we are going to look at an overview of the sources of energy on the Earth. So let's begin with the Sun, which is the most important source of energy for our planet. The Sun is a star at the center of our solar system, and the energy it produces originates from the fusion reaction happening inside its core. The Sun radiates this energy all around, and some of that energy hits Earth. We can harness some of this energy directly by using, for example, solar panels and solar collectors, where the energy from the sun is converted into electricity by utilizing the photovoltaic effect, or then just by directly absorbing the sunlight and utilizing the heat that is collected. The sun is indirectly behind almost all weather phenomena and the kinetic energies of them, as winds, storms, waves, rain, etc. are caused by the sun's energy. We can also utilize the energy from weather phenomena by, for example, using windmills and wave generators, etc. It should be noted that the gravitational forces of the moon and the sun are behind tides, and these tidal movements can also be utilized for energy. The energy from the sun is also stored as chemical energy by plants that use the energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars for itself by means of photosynthesis. And when we eat these plants, we are essentially consuming the stored energy of the plant and using the energy to perform functions that are necessary for survival by means of cellular respiration, which is basically the opposite of what the plants do. So basically, we eat plants or animals that ate plants for energy, which originated from the sun. We can also directly burn biomass to release that stored chemical energy. So when you're burning wood, for example, the energy is converted into heat. And the fossil fuels that we depend upon are essentially dead plants and animals that got buried millions of years ago. And by burning them, we can harness that stored chemical energy, which again originally came from the sun. Another source of energy is the Earth itself, where the heat from the core of the Earth can be utilized. This heat originates from the decay of radioactive elements at the vast pressures of the center of the Earth's core, where it radiates outward slowly through the mantle and the crust. We can also use nuclear power, where we split the nucleuses of atoms into smaller nuclei by nuclear fission reactions, and harnessing the energy released in that process. So in a nutshell, we can utilize the nuclear power from the Earth's core or by man-made nuclear reactions.